Compared to other years, this year's registration was okay. No issues. I went to my booth straight. I didn't spend up to an hour. I got all what I wanted. Normally, COREN is a gathering of engineers from all walks of life, from different professions to interact. I I pray the interaction will be okay and on topical issues that is affecting the engineering professions in Nigeria. This is an avenue for them to have a close interaction with their senior colleagues to learn more. And I also encourage them to come because in engineering bodies, the more we are, the better for the professions. Like the legal profession, when they have an assembly like this, all the courts go on recess. But you find out that some major companies are still working. I'm looking forward to a time that in engineering we take such actions.
I expect an improvement. I'm not expected to come here with cars, but because I did register online, I was asked to go get cars from somewhere and make the payment. I think we need an improvement in that area. Yes. So members are encouraged to register online, and of course, it's going to be cheaper register online, and to avoid this kind of crowd going get cars to make registration. Members are advised to do online. However, if you are not able to do that, we should expect cashless registration here, meaning provide more POS instead of us getting cars to make payments. Let's go cashless. Let's go cashless. So anything we should do to do that, let's go cashless.
It's everything is online. Understand? So you have just to enroll, you register online, then it's a process before you get after the setting, current council setting, then before you get certified. Actually, it's going to be a great outreach to make people understand the practicing code of conduct of engineering. And as you can see, it's a networking, and for everybody to come together and align to understand the code of conduct and practicing system.
Yeah, it's okay. It's not cumbersome. It was smooth. It's just that the production of the bag was not good enough compared to the last 2 years. So I urge the team that did this to improve on it come next year. The least gathering I've ever seen, because of the situation of the country, the hardship people are going. The turnaround for last year was massive compared to this year. So we don't know how it's going to look like tomorrow. Maybe people are still coming in for registration by tomorrow, and we expect good presentations, paper presentations, and at the end of the day, I believe the program will be a success. They should endeavor to come around for this yearly program of all engineers all over Nigeria. Then they will surely benefit from it, time in and out. Consistently, if they come around, it's good for them as young engineers.
Actually, the process is smoothly, and there's not any, because there's not any long queue that we used to see in the forces. And I already registered online, so I don't have any problem. I just check my booth, and I collected it without any hinges there. The expectation is we want to have a very smooth conference, as usually we have been attending this conference, and we want to see improvement from the other conference that we have attended, because there are some problems that we encountered from the previous conference, but we hope to see a better conference than the previous one. Yes, and it's a very good thing for the new engineers, because you learn a lot as an engineer. If you come to this conference, there's a lot of things that you're going to learn apart from the interaction section that we have with other engineers. It's part of an experience, and you are going to gain a lot of experience, and you are going to build your capacity as an engineer. You see different field of engineering, like civil engineering, computer, and other engineers that you are going to interact with them. So you are going to learn a lot as a new engineer, and I hope to, so that I advise most of the new engineers to stay on the process and see the conference, because some of the engineers, they don't used to stay on the conference and they just go out. So as a new engineers, they just wait and see the process and how the conference is taking place.
Thank you for watching BMC TV. Please watch, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.